Presto Sketch. Hey everyone! Today we're drawing a zebra. Let's start by drawing an egg shape for the head. And then we'll add the face and the ears. Want to know something cool about zebras? Not only do they hang out together as a herd, they also hang out with other animals like antelopes and wildebeests. Another cool fact is that every zebra's stripes are unique. No two zebras are alike. Speaking of stripes, let's draw some on our zebra now. And maybe some hair too. The face is looking great. Now follow along as we draw the rest of the body. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. You're doing awesome. Keep going. Here are some more cool facts about zebras. Baby zebras are called foals. They can already stand and run an hour after they're born. They start off with reddish-brown stripes that turn black and white as they grow up. Oh yeah, don't forget stripes for the body. All right, time to color. We'll start with the black marker to color the hair, the stripes, and the hooves. And for the final touches, we'll use the pink marker for the belly and the ears. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.